Yo guys, welcome back to the SciTech channel. Today I have another special unboxing for you guys, and this is another Apple unboxing once again. So let's go ahead and get straight on into this video. So here we got, guess what? We have the new iPhone 17e. So I'm going to show you guys a little bit around the box. Make sure I show everywhere. This is the back of the box, and this is the iPhone 17e base model, and I got it in the black color. So this is going to be a really quick video. Once again, just an unboxing, and let's get straight on into it, guys. Here's some ASMR action for y'all. Then the next peel. Just for reference, this video is being recorded on a iPhone 17. So video and audio is all shot on the iPhone 17. Wow. So I did get it in the black black color. So the back looks really nice. Obviously we have the single camera design. I'll show you guys the sides a little bit as much as you can see there. We have your two buttons, or your ringer, your volume, and your lock button on this side. No camera control button or slider, obviously. And we're gonna do a quick little peel. Wonderful. Toss that to the side. I'll turn this baby on. Show you guys what that kind of looks like. And then in the box, the only other contents we get are a braided USB-C to C cable, and we get the iPhone little startup guide, and obviously no SIM card ejection tool because this is a eSIM iPhone here in the US. So yeah, that is the unboxing of the iPhone 17e. I hope you guys enjoy. This is basically like a iPhone 13 or a 14, but I think it's a great budget iPhone. If you want the newest iPhone that is also somewhat affordable, like for an Apple product, then this is your best bet. If you want the latest up-to-date iPhone that is more affordable. Well, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Make sure to leave a comment, like, and a subscribe would be wonderful. I hope you guys enjoyed. Take care and peace out.